Ultivar process. How to set maintenance events. Hello, I am here today to guide you through the steps needed to manage customer maintenance events. The prerequisites are: drive already powered on and date and time are set. You can define up to 5 events. The setting of each event is the same. We will set up one of them. The setting Customer Events can be set with the SoMove software and transferred into the variable speed drive. The events can be triggered by a counter or by a date. There are 3 kinds of events that you can define. First one is Power Control Supply On, to define when the power and control boards of the drive are powered. Second one is Supply Mains On, to define when the drive is powered. And the last one is Drive in Run State, to define when the drive is in run mode. You can refer to the programming manual for further explanation of the setting parameters. Once the warning event is displayed, you can reset it with the Customer Clearing Event setting. Select the event you want to delete. You can refer to the programming manual for further explanation of the setting parameters. The setting of customer events can also be set directly with the graphic display terminal of the variable speed drive. If Config Warning 1 is set to Date and Time, then Date and Time Limit can only be set on the graphic display terminal. After selecting the kind of event and the trigger by counter limit or by date, then a red warning LED will blink and an icon will appear on the graphic display terminal. The warning event can be visualized in the diagnostic data screen. The warning event can be reset with the Customer Clearing Event menu. Then select the event that you want to clear. The red LED and the icon remain until all customer events have been cleared. Need help with SoMove? Press F1 on any given item to open the contextual help or the product programming manual. Thank you for watching. For more information, please visit our website.